Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sayyeda Fahmina from Ahmad bin Majid Private School. This video is about topic 11, Alcohols, Learning Objective 11.1a. Draw and classify alcohols into primary, secondary and tertiary. At the end of this video, learners should be able to recall their knowledge about functional group of alcohol and IUPAC naming. Draw primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, classification of alcohols into primary, secondary and tertiary, number of carbon necessary to draw different types of alcohols, and to solve different exercises based on the topic. What are alcohols? Alcohols are the compounds in which one or more hydrogen atoms in an alkane have been replaced by an hydroxyl group, OH group. Or alcohols are those organic compounds which are characterized by the presence of one, two or more hydroxyl groups that are to the carbon atoms in an alkyl group or hydrocarbons chain. For example, ethanol, propane 2-ol, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Classification of alcohols. The classification is done in accordance to where the carbon atom of an alkyl group is attached to the hydroxyl group. Alcohols are classified as primary, secondary or tertiary. Primary, secondary, OH group is in the middle. Tertiary, the OH holding carbon attached with 3 alkyl group. What are primary alcohols? Primary alcohols are those alcohols where the carbon atom of the hydroxyl group is attached to only one single alkyl group. The complexity of this alkyl chain is unrelated to the classification of any alcohol considered as primary. The existence of only one linkage among OH group and an alkyl group and the thing that qualifies any alcohol as a primary. Or simply you can say in a primary 1-degree alcohol, the carbon which carries the OH group is only attached to one alkyl group. Some of the examples of primary alcohols are given below: ethanol, propane 1-ol, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. The position, the most important thing here, the position of OH group. And it is at, in all the cases, it is at first carbon. Notice that it doesn't matter how complicated the attached alkyl group is. In each case, there is only one linkage to an alkyl group from the CH2 group holding the hydroxyl group. There is an exception to this: methanol. CH3OH is counted as a primary alcohol even though there are no alkyl groups attached to the carbon with the OH group on it. Secondary alcohols are those where the carbon atom of the hydroxyl group attached to 2 alkyl group on either side. The 2 alkyl groups present may be either structurally identical or even different. Some of the examples of secondary alcohols are given below: propane 2-ol, butane 2-ol, pentane 3-ol. Notice that in a secondary 2-degree alcohol, the carbon with the OH group attached is joined directly to 2 alkyl groups which may be the same or different. Tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols are those which features hydroxyl group attached to the carbon atom which is connected to 3 alkyl groups Some of the examples of tertiary alcohols are given below. Here, the hydroxyl holding carbon has 3 alkyl group, unlike primary and secondary. And the other important thing, this carbon doesn't have any hydrogen. And the position of methyl group and the OH group is same. 2-methyl, 2-ol. 2-methyl, 2-ol. First example is 2-methyl propane, 2-ol, and here 2-methyl butane, 2-ol. Notice that in a tertiary alcohol, the carbon atom holding the OH group is attached directly to 3 alkyl group, which may be any combination of same or different. Let's try some multiple choice questions related to the topic. Number 1. The number of carbon atoms in the simplest tertiary alcohols is. It means that the least number of carbon that are required to draw tertiary alcohols. So remember, tertiary alcohols, the OH holding carbon further attached to 3 alkyl groups, so the total number should be 4. 2. The IUPAC name of this compound. If you will see, the OH group from your left hand side is closer as compared to the other side. So the correct option is 2,2,6-trimethyl heptane 3-O. If you have problem in naming, kindly draw the displayed formula before naming. Which alcohol matches its classification? Here the most important part is OH holding carbon. Here the OH holding carbon has 2 hydrogen. It means it's a primary alcohol, but here it's written secondary. So it's wrong option. Second one, OH holding carbon has no hydrogen. It means it should be tertiary, but here it's written secondary. So this is also a wrong option. Here the OH holding carbon has no hydrogen and it's a tertiary alcohol, so this option is the correct option. Let's try some extended questions. There are 3 types of alcohol: primary, secondary and tertiary. A, B, C and D. Decide whether each of the following alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. The most important thing here is the OH bearing or OH holding carbon. Here the OH holding carbon has 1 H, so it means A is secondary. Here also the OH holding carbon has 2 hydrogens, so it's a primary. And here no hydrogen, so it's tertiary. And here also 2 hydrogens, so it's primary. Now name each of these alcohols. So first one, the nearest one is from this side left, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's butane 2-ol, not butane 3-ol. You remember from the end giving the smallest number in the name. B, 2-methyl propane 1-ol, and C is tertiary, so it's 2-methyl butane 2-ol, and the last one is 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol. Draw the structure for the smallest possible secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So the possible structure that you cannot see there, you can draw here. So it's 1, a secondary alcohol, always remember, has 2 hydrocarbons group, means 2 alkyl groups attached to the carbon with the OH group. A tertiary alcohol has 3. The smallest possible secondary or tertiary alcohol will have only methyl group attached. So this is your tertiary alcohol and this one is what? Secondary alcohol. Another question. There are two alcohols, structural isomer with the molecular formula C3H8O. Give the skeletal formula of these isomers, their systematic names and the classification of the type of alcohols in each case. What is your molecular formula? The most important thing here, C3H8O. Now you know that primary alcohols, the least number of carbons in primary alcohol can be 2, in secondary can be 3, and in tertiary can be 4. So it means we cannot draw here tertiary alcohol. So we can draw only primary and secondary. So here first primary alcohol with 3 carbon, the skeletal formula 1, 2 and 3 attached with OH, propane 1-ol, and here is OH position is in the middle, propane 2-ol, secondary alcohol. Good luck and thank you.